engine hums beneath my feet. A lonesome highway, a steady beat. Wind in my hair, sun in my eyes. The world feels smaller beneath these skies. Chrome and leather, my trusted steed. On this blacktop, I'm finally free. No destination, just chasing the breeze. Every mile's a prayer, putting my soul at ease. Ride on, ride strong, where the open road leads. Every twist, every turn plants a new seed. Freedom's a highway, stretching so wide. It's just me and the wind on this two-wheel ride. Pass by fields, barns painted red. Ghost towns whisper of lives once led. The rumble echoes through valleys deep, carving memories that I'll always keep. The stars come out, the night's so still. The road keeps calling, it always will. Lone rider's heart, forever untamed on this winding path. No 2 days the same. Ride on, ride strong, where the open road leads. Every twist, every turn plants a new seed. Freedom's a highway, stretching so wide. It's just me and the wind on this two-wheel ride. Ride on, ride strong, where the open road leads. Every twist, every turn plants a new seed. Freedom's a highway, stretching so wide. It's just me and the wind on this two-wheel ride. I pass by fields, barns painted red. Ghost towns whisper of lives once led. The rumble echoes through valleys deep, carving memories that I'll always keep. The stars come out, the night's so still. The road keeps calling, it always will. Lone rider's heart, forever untamed. On this winding path, no 2 days the same.
Dust clouds rise as the throttle roars. Gravel roads call where the spirit soars. The world unfolds beyond the bends. A journey starts where the pavement ends. Ride the gravel, dreams feel the fire. Chasing horizons, hearts conspire. From the mountains high to the ocean wide, freedom's the engine on this wild ride. Maps tossed aside, let the compass sleep. The unknown whispers where secrets seep. Every trail's a story carved in stone. The earth's our stage, the bikes are thrown. Ride the gravel, dreams feel Every turn's a gamble, every mile a bet. The sunrise paints skies we'll never forget. The gravel may bite, but the soul won't break. Each scar's a memory, each bruise we'll take. Winds howl loud through the canyon's teeth. Echoes of the road like a primal beat. A brotherhood bound by the grit we face. In every dust trail, a fleeting embrace. Ride the gravel, dreams feel the fire. Chasing horizons, hearts conspire. From the mountains high to the ocean wide. Freedom's the engine on this wild ride. On this wild ride.
Woke up to the sunrise, the road was calling me. Dust on my boots, my heart wild and free. Leather jacket worn, a story in each scar. Riding with the wind, beneath the morning star. The engine growls low, like a wolf on the prowl. Every twist and turn, freedom's sacred vow. The hum of the tires, a hymn to the land. Steel and thunder rolling, guided by my hand. Steel and thunder rolling down the line. The open road's a preacher, its gospel's mine. Feel the rumble deep, like a heartbeat strong. On this two-wheel journey where I belong. Stop at a diner where the coffee's black. A waitress smiles sweet with stories stacked. Every town I pass holds a tale untold. But my bike and I, we're chasing the goal. The rain starts falling, but I don't slow. Through the stormy skies, let the wild winds blow. Each drop's a blessing, a kiss from above. Out here on the road, I found my love. Steel and thunder rolling down the line. The open road's a preacher, its gospel's mine. Feel the rumble deep, like a heartbeat strong. On this two-wheel journey where I belong. Steel and thunder rolling down the line. The open road's a preacher, its gospel's mine. Feel the rumble deep, like a heartbeat strong. On this two-wheel journey where I belong.
Skies in gold. The hills unwind, their stories untold. Wheels hum softly, a whispered ode on these sunset curvy roads. Feel the bands, feel the sway, chasing dusk as night invades. Freedom rides where the wind explodes on these sunset curves.
glow amidst the cold parade. Lost in the hum where memories fade. Forgot to turn you off, left you to shine in a world of exhaustion. You're one of a kind, blinking through chaos, a beacon misplaced. Forgot to turn you off, now you're in place. All alone in the motorcycle crowd, neon whispers hidden under clouds. Rubber burns, but you just softly gleam. A tiny light holding on to a dream. Do they see you, or are they blind? A flicker in a world unkind. Forgot to turn you off, left you to shine in a world of exhaustion. You're one of a kind, breaking through chaos, a beacon misplaced. Forgot to turn you off, now you're embraced. All alone in the motorcycle crowd, neon whispers hidden under clouds. Rubber burns, but you just softly gleam. A tiny light holding on to a dream. Do they see you, or are they blind? A flicker in a world unkind. Do they see you, or are they blind? A flicker in a world unkind. Got to turn you off, left you to shine in a world of exhaustion. You're one of a kind, blinking through chaos, a beacon misplaced. Forgot to turn you off, now you're embraced. Lonely in the headlights, a silent plea. You're the heart of the storm, invisibly free. Who knew forgetting could feel so profound? A little star that won't back down. The engine hums beneath my feet. The lonesome highway, a steady beat. Wind in my hair, sun in my eyes. The world feels smaller beneath these skies. Chrome and leather, my trusted steed. On this blacktop, I'm finally free. No destination, just chasing the breeze. Every mile's a prayer, putting my soul at ease. Ride on, ride strong where the open road leads. Every twist, every turn plants a new seed. Freedom's a highway, stretching so wide. It's just me and the wind on this two-wheeled ride. I pass by fields, barns painted red. Ghost towns whisper of lives once led. The rumble echoes through valleys deep, carving memories that I'll always keep. The stars come out, the night so still, the road keeps calling, it always will. The lone rider's heart, forever untamed. On this winding path, no 2 days the same. Ride on, ride strong where the open road leads. Every twist, every turn plants a new seed. Freedom's a highway stretching so wide. It's just me and the wind on this two-wheeled ride.
Dust clouds rise as the throttle roars. Gravel roads call where the spirit soars. The world unfolds beyond the bends. A journey starts where the pavement ends. Ride the gravel, dreams feel the fire. Chasing horizons, hearts conspire. Maps tossed aside, let the compass sleep. The unknown whispers where secrets seep. Every trail's a story carved in stone. The earth's our stage, the bike's our throne. Ride the gravel, dreams feel the fire. Chasing horizons, hearts conspire. Wild ride. Every turn's a gamble, every mile a bet. The sunrise paints skies we'll never forget. The gravel may bite, but the soul won't break. Each scar's a memory, each bruise will take. Winds howl out through the canyon's teeth. Echoes of the road like a primal beat. A brotherhood bound by the grit we face. In every dust trail, a fleeting embrace. Ride the gravel, dreams feel the fire. Chasing horizons, hearts conspire. From the mountains high to the ocean wide, freedom's the engine on this wild ride. Ride the gravel, dreams feel the fire. Chasing horizons, hearts conspire. From the mountains high to the ocean wide, freedom's the engine on this wild.
Look up to the sunrise, the road was calling me. Dust on my boots, my heart wild and free. Leather jacket worn, story in each scar. Riding with the wind beneath the morning star. The engine growls low like a wolf on the prowl. Every twist and turn, freedom's sacred vow. The hum of the tires, a hymn to the land. Steel and thunder rolling, guided by my hand. Steel and thunder, rolling down the line. The open road's a preacher, It's gospel's light. Feel the rumble deep, like a heartbeat strong, on this two-wheel journey where I belong. Stop at a diner where the coffee's black. A waitress smiles sweet with stories stacked. Every town I pass holds a tale untold, but my bike and I were chasing the goal. Rain starts falling, but I don't slow. Through the stormy skies, let the wild winds blow. Each drop's a blessing, a kiss from above. Out here on the road, I found my love. Stealing thunder, rolling down the line. The open road's a preacher, it's gospel's light. Feel the rumble deep, like a heartbeat strong, on this two-wheel journey where I belong. Rain starts falling, but I don't slow. Through the stormy skies, let the wild winds blow. Each drop's a blessing, a kiss from above. Out here on the road, I found my love. Steel and thunder rolling down the line. The open road's a preacher, it's gospel's mine. Feel the rumble deep, like a heartbeat strong, on this two-wheel journey where I belong. Twinkle, little star left in the noise. Engines roaring loud, drowning your voice. A single glow amidst the chrome parade. Lost in the hum where memories fade. Forgot to turn you off, left you to shine. In a world of exhaust, you're one of a kind. Blinking through chaos, a beacon misplaced. Forgot to turn you off, now you're embraced. All alone in the motorcycle crowd. Neon whispers hidden under clouds. Rubber burns, but you just softly gleam. A tiny light holding on to a dream. Do they see you or are they blind? A flicker in a world unkind. Forgot to turn you off, left you to shine. In a world of exhaust, you're one of a kind. Blinking through chaos, a beacon misplaced. Forgot to turn you off, now you're embraced. All alone in the headlights, a silent plea. You're the heart of the storm, invisibly free. Who knew forgetting could feel so profound? A little star that won't back down. Free. Who knew forgetting could feel so profound? A little star